Here we are in Car Cruisers 2, Demolition Derby, and we're going to be trying to get the secret egg. And it does not feel good to be on the loser's podium. Yes! Collect! I got the key, I got the key, I got the key! Finally! I've done it. You have to go to the old facility. Alright, here we are back at the OG facility. Now if we head down here to where you could leave this place, over here, no way. 22 cargo ships crossing the Atlantic went missing. Rumors about this island. Okay, why? Construction facility. Most of the crushers have been shipped off this island. Where are they now? Skilled on was here. First Derby victory. The key on the wall. 2018. Facility on an unknown island. Secret key? Investigate further. Yeah, that's what I went on. Bridges, racetracks, tunnels. What were they doing here? Oh. We placed the key. Here's the vault. Now, they resemble different crushers. Oh. Let's freeze the car here. Row 1. I think all the crushers are in row 1. I hope. Look, we saw, this is the blade we saw. There you go, so I've used that one. Here we go! Down, 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 and boom! So, when the green lights on top activate, means we've used it. And now, the light's green. Just gotta do this one. Oh my gosh. You just lodged me in here. This was the speed one. Why is this just guy following me? I'm trying to get a secret egg. Dude. Saw our car. Here we go. No, I just died. To row 3. There we go. Laser it. Play. Here we go. Spikes. Boom. Oh, here we go. Yes. What was that? What the? Oh. Why did it just try to eat me? Get the egg, get the egg. Yes, the core, the inner core egg. I've got all 3 of them. It's open. All of them are green. Oh. There it is! The secret egg! This was insane. Yeah, so all of them right there. I don't know what that is. The old thing. Oh, it's question mark. It's asking where did it go. Thank you, Panwells. This was a really weird. Thank you so much for watching. This was a tutorial for how to get the egg. And I'll see you all in the next one. Time to crush my car. Wait, what? Oh, there it is.